These fast flow areas are where New Zealand king salmon want their new farms. These areas also have the greatest biodiversity. The Marlborough Sounds support rare, unique and special species and play host to many marine mammals, seals, dolphins and seabirds. Our knowledge of these areas is limited. On these dives we found areas that had not yet been surveyed. These areas proved to be ecologically significant. Some had greater biodiversity than areas already deemed to be ecologically significant. These huge sponge gardens can be likened to a karri forest and could well be over 100 years old. Scientific surveys show aquaculture is already displacing dolphins. We also have a fisheries in a state of collapse. There are other choices open to New Zealand king salmon. However, they choose to place their farms in the Marlborough Sounds. This year, this farm was red-stickered. Thousands of fish died. The cause has never been revealed. Here we dive to the sea floor, which we found devoid of life. This area is called the footprint of the farm, which only makes up 20% of the pollution. The other 80% goes into the water column to be flushed around the Marlborough Sounds. High levels of nitrogen in the water column, combined with weather patterns, can create harmful algal blooms, which have detrimental effect on all marine life, marine mammals and seabirds. These areas create toxic, anoxic dead zones. The only living thing that can survive in these areas is a worm. A sample taken at another New Zealand king salmon site showed that even these worms had been killed off. In this graph we see how a natural seafloor which supports aerobic sediments, crabs, fish and all types of worm can be turned anoxic with the formation of a bacterial mat and methane outgassing. This model shows, in green, how 80% of the farm pollution will be flushed through the sounds, suffocating life. Sustainably growing king salmon? Yeah, right.